In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide filters in Notion. If you use Notion databases regularly, keeping your workspace clean and uncluttered can make a big difference. Sometimes the filter bar takes up extra space, or you simply want a cleaner view while working. The good news is that hiding and unhiding filters in Notion is very quick, and once you know where to click, it only takes a second. To begin, open Notion and go to the page that contains your database. This can be any database view you're working with, as long as it's the one where the filters are currently visible or available. Before moving on, make sure you're looking directly at the database toolbar, because that's where the setting you need will appear. Next, look toward the right side of your database, where the view controls and other database options are located. In that row of controls, find the filter icon. This is the button Notion uses to show or hide your filter panel. Once you locate it, click on that filter icon. As soon as you click it, the filters will be hidden from view. This helps simplify the layout of your database and can make the page feel less crowded, especially if you're presenting information, reviewing content, or just prefer a cleaner interface while you work. If at any point you want to bring the filters back, simply click the same filter icon again. Notion uses this button as a toggle, which means one click hides the filters and another click reveals them. That makes it easy to switch back and forth depending on what you need in the moment. A helpful thing to keep in mind is that hiding the filters does not remove them. Your existing filter settings still remain active in the database unless you manually change or delete them. So if your data still looks filtered after hiding the panel, that's completely normal. You're only hiding the filter display, not turning the filter logic off. That's all there is to it. Open your Notion page, find the filter icon on the right side of the database controls, click it to hide the filters, and click it again whenever you want to unhide them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.